Take a ride in the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.